Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today we are making the cutest little fish magnets you ever did see. These are really easy to make, very beginner friendly, and I would highly recommend doing them because they look so gorgeous. You can do them any design that you want to, and yeah, I absolutely love them. So air dry clay, the one that I'm using today is the Fimo air dry clay. Honestly, I absolutely love this stuff. Great beginner friendly clay. I really like the texture of this one compared to like other brands like the Daz one. I didn't used to like that one, but this one here, it just feels much softer and lighter in my hand, and I really enjoy that. So I made a little fish template on some cardboard, as you can see, and then I cut around it with a acrylic tool, like you can see there. Look, I just made a nice clay fish. I did also roll out the clay with a rolling pin, as you would have seen as well, but obviously that much is pretty self-explanatory. I then just smoothed out my fish, as you can see, just using a little bit of water on a paintbrush and my finger just to smooth that out. Once I had done that, was happy with the base kind of all smoothed out and everything, I added on the details. So I created a little crisscross action with my Cricut tool just to make a little slip base for my details to go on top. I made a little snake for the mouth, added a little indent in the middle to make little lips, and then I added on an eye. I did some with two eyes, two little kind of lips, tiny little lips, little O mouth and stuff, and once I was happy with them, I then left them dry overnight. The next morning I came back to them once they were fully dry. This didn't take long at all because my fish were quite like thin, and I just sanded off all the edges just with a nail file because I thought that would be quicker. I then super glued on some magnets on the back, and once that was done, they were ready to be coloured. So to colour my little fishies, I want to talk about the sponsor of today's video, who have recently brought out a new range of acrylic markers. They're non-toxic, odorless, with a fabulous coverage. They're dual tip with a fine tip and a round tip, perfect for smaller details. The inks are water resistant, sun resistant, perfect for art projects that you want to last, and they are the perfect set in my opinion for anyone from beginners to pros, with 30 different shades. You'll see them right here. Like, look at that little case that they come in, absolutely gorgeous. You keep them all organized. Look at that, so nice. So like I said, they come in 30 different shades, including metallics and fluorescents. They can be used on almost every surface you can think of. Stones for you budding stone artists out there, wood, eggs, glass, ceramic, canvas, paper, phone cases, textiles, metallic surfaces, and even little clay fish. Look inside here though at all my swatches. Look at all of those colours that you get in these sets. Oh my goodness, 10 out of 10. If you want to see the like swatch video and see how these come to life and actually work out, I did just film a video of these as well, like making these swatches so you can actually see them perform. So I would highly recommend checking out that video as well. But yeah, I'll leave the link to that down in the description. But let me just talk about something though. You probably think these are going to cost a fortune, but unlike most other acrylic pens, these do not. They're just £29 on their website at the moment at regular price. That's for all 30 pens. I know, amazing. You can get 10% extra off using my coupon code Chelsey DIY10. I'll put that on screen and down in the description and a pinned comment as well. So Chelsey DIY10 will get you 10% off on top of that already amazing price on their website. You can also purchase this off of Amazon as well, but they are a little bit more pricey on there, and you can't use my discount code, but I will link it anyway. But I'll leave all of that down in the description below so you check them out. So a big thank you to Ohuhu for sponsoring today's video, as well as gifting me these pens to use into today's DIY and just allowing me to make this DIY possible. Thank you so much. I absolutely adore them, and I'll be using them in many videos ahead. Back to the fishies, however, I finished off all of the designs by adding on the eyes with the black acrylic marker. As you can see, these are all the colours that I used for the fishes. As you will see, I've got an array of colours on there just by using just a few of the acrylic markers in the set. I absolutely love how these turned out. I don't even need to seal them either because they are already water resistant and they're going straight on my fridge. I absolutely adore these. They can face whatever way you want to. But yeah, I hopefully you enjoyed today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you very soon for another one.